Hi, I'm Angela from Growing in the Garden. Whatever your motivation is for learning how to grow your own food, garden fresh food, food security, increased nutrition, and knowing exactly how and where that food was grown, you've come to the right place. I've been sharing gardening tips and videos for years on Instagram, my blog, YouTube, and in my gardening book. Now I'm expanding my teaching into a monthly online gardening class, Growing in the Garden Academy. Gardening can be challenging and overwhelming, but each month we will focus on one part of that journey together in our online class. Growing in the Garden Academy is a place for people who are committed to learning how to grow their own food. Are you ready to experience the taste of freshly harvested fruits and vegetables, or the joy of pulling carrots from your garden and harvesting herbs and greens right outside your door? I hope you'll join me in the Growing in the Garden Academy. I want you to experience the feeling of satisfaction from growing what you and your family eat. See you in class.